If you're anything like me and you hate fumbling around with wires and cables in your car and just trying to find them at night, plug them into your phone, just ditch them all together and go get yourself a GetPairr Mini 2.0. This little device is going to plug in and give you the latest and greatest wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay abilities straight from this little device. If that's exciting to you, stick around. We're going to go ahead and test it out.
Kicking this off with a quick unboxing. Inside the box, you're going to get the device itself, which is so incredibly small, yet it is built of good material, so it does feel quite good in the hand, and as well as a USB to USB-C adapter. Nice to see that included, as well as your instruction manual. So this is my infotainment screen with no device connected. It's pretty bland, doesn't really do much, no applications on board. And of course, if you want to use your phone plugged in, you have to have this wire always draped all over everything, and you have to fumble around with it to try to plug it into your phone. It's simply not good. Let's go ahead and show you the right way to do that. Go ahead and yoink that cable out of there. Get yourself one of these tiny little devices. It's so impressive that it fits in the palm of your hand, but that's really all you need. No wires, no chargers, nothing. Simply plug it straight into your USB port, and that's it. You're going to have it instantly take over your screen. You can agree to some settings, and then once that is done, it will instruct you to go to your phone of choice's Bluetooth settings. So we'll go ahead and start with the iPhone. Simply go into your settings, Bluetooth, and you'll find the Car 2-2D08. In my case, go ahead and connect to that and hit pair. You'll also want to allow contacts and favorites to sync, and that's it. You can go ahead and hit connect to your CarPlay, and you'll see your screen flip and give you the options to the Apple CarPlay. And there you have it. Nice and simple, and it works so well. And now testing out some of the apps, we can open up Maps just to see what kind of performance we get. And honestly, I can tell you there is no noticeable difference between plugging in your phone with the actual wire. So we can see I can move around the map with no problem whatsoever. I can even take advantage of the 3D building capabilities and zoom on in, and I don't have any graphical issues whatsoever.
Hey Siri, open music.
And as you just heard, you get full access to Siri as well, and that is working and is awesome. We can add our widgets to make it more useful, and if you want to go back to your car's operating system, you can go ahead and tap on Ford in my case. And right back into Apple CarPlay. It's just so user intuitive, and of course, no wires. Gotta love it. Now let's go ahead and check how it works on Android. So on your Android device, same deal, go ahead into your Bluetooth settings and connect to the Car 2 option, and you can click continue, and there you go. It's just as simple, just as easy, and it works just as well. It's so impressive. We can go ahead and test the graphical capabilities here on Google Maps. We're using 3D buildings, multi-touch functionality, and it works so well. I really like the way this device performs, and it of course has all apps right on board.
Okay Google, what temperature is it in Hawaii?
In Honolulu, it's currently 79 degrees.
And as you just heard, you have full Google Assistant functionality. And on top of that, we can go ahead and test just how good the latency and sound is by playing a game right on our Android Auto. Well, I'm going to go have fun and finish this round. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and get our closing thoughts. I think this product provides you a lot of value, especially for something you're going to be using every day, coming right in under $50. I just don't think you can go wrong. It's an awesome product, super simple to set up, and it just works so well. So if you are interested in picking one up for yourself, check the video link description down below. It'll be there, so it'll take you over to their store. You can check to make sure your vehicle is compatible with this device and pick one up for yourself. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all being here. Thanks, and bye-bye.